Huzzah! Yaha! It's good to be back! And I was able to beat through all 5 rounds. Did you enjoy? Yes! At least I was able to beat every battle in the game. First of all, I was able to beat Cassie in Kuya Gary's Street Up Temple. And then Hans in Guma's Woody Boardwalk. Then, after that, it's... Yeah, get out! Yup, you know it. It's Ben at the King Boo's Haunted Hideaway. And then Charlene at the Perfect Express. And then a while ago, I beat an ate at the Tycoon Town. What do you think of that? Well, at least now, you can already get something. Just listen to my instructions, son. Raffy, get on stage! You won your battles! You won your battles! You've done everything! Therefore, you're the ultimate celebrity! Wow, just look at me now. I'm waving my hands like crazy like this. Check me out. Nope. Just look at me here. Yeah. As winner of the Star Battle, you've won the Carnival's highest honor, the one, the only, Silver Star! Yay!
Mimi, good job, Raffy. Time for your real prize. Surprise! It's way better than candy. The sweetest thing ever.
Well, if that were so, what is it? You've let the hat out of the bag, my friend, but it's about time, because your real prize is the Star Rod! Don't mistake it for the must-have accessory of the year. The Star Rod packs some serious power. Furthermore, it's a huge relief to find out who the superstar is to hang on to it. So without any further ado... Uh-oh.
Mimi, what's going on?
I don't know. I just know that something unexpected has happened. Alam ko na. Si Duterte na naman, no? Correct! Who's that? It's...
President Duterte!
Whoa! Wah! Oi! Hey, Ruffy! You think you're the superstar, huh? Really? Don't make me laugh! Hey, Ruffy! Now, and if you were fighting in the moron battle, I'd bow down and call you number 1. Why, yes, Duterte, I am number 1, and I hate talaga everything what you've done to me, you asshole! Puta ina mo! But this was a star battle, and I see only one superstar, me! So therefore, the Star Rod's mine! You better cough it up right now! Hey, what did you do? I took your Star Rod, Raffy. So you want it back? Come and get it, unless you're a chicken. Wah! 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 Tain mo talaga, President Duterte! Wala na akong reward dahil sa inyo! Are you okay, Raffy? Naiinis na ako dahil kay Duterte eh. Huwag mag-alala. Sa akin din, nabibisit na ako din dahil kay President Duterte. Eh kasi nga siya yung pinaka-buisit dito sa Pilipinas. Dahil dyan, he has taken the Star Rod. And he's stolen the spotlight. I think it's the end of the world. Or maybe if that were me, President Duterte has taken the Star Rod, and he's stolen the spotlight. I think it's the end of the world.
Bibi, we've been befooled by him. He's been walked all over us. Oh, the stink of defeat. Oh, Rappy, how can you be the superstar now? You've already won everything.
Well, this is so disappointing now. Guess I got no choice but to just go home. But wait! What? May paraan ka ba? Yes!
Bibi, how?
But wait! We have you! Help us make things right! So let's go! We're taking the star battle into the stars! Let's go! Okay, everybody! Now we're down to our last battle kung saan ang tatakbuhan ang pinakabwisit ng presidente dito sa buong Pilipinas at siya ay wala kundi the one, the only President Duterte! Ang sabihin mo na, putain nga mo! Gago ka, President Duterte, wala ka alam? Parang utak mo, wala kang presidente, wala kang politics! Wow! Did you see that coming? What a crazy trip! It looks like President Duterte has transferred us to his evil space lair. It's looking kind of grim. I wonder what will become of us now. Yes! That's right, everyone! You are now welcome to our one and only warp orbit! Wahahahahaha! Yes! Welcome, Rappy! You sure seem fired up about this Star Rod, eh? Yes, and I get up! I'm not done here! Listen! And if you somehow can beat all of my loyal slaves, I'll give you the Star Rod! Impossible, I know. Show me your worst, Mika Salamanca! Are you more warped than us? Wahahahahaha! Good luck, Rappy. You're really gonna need it. It's against you and my daughter, AZ Martinez. If you really wanna win, then you gotta do a thing. Fight for your lives! There we go, all set. The battle with AZ Martinez or AZ Bonifacio for the Star Rod is about to begin. Beyond space, beyond time, and beyond the sensei, we're in the biggest and blackest hole of all. Yup, it's President, it's... Wow! Welcome to my warped orbit. It's seriously sick and twisted. Yeah, I already know. No need to know them. Let's go! Sino kayo mauna dito? Ay, nakubuisin naman yung Joko. Mauna na naman siya dahil sa kanya. Utai! Di ba alam ko na yung balak niya? O, saan yung mga candy para manalo na ako? Yan! Para manalo na ako. Are you ready? Aling balak mo? Hindi ka sa naman ka. Kung yung balak mo, yun na yun. Tado ka. Gawin mo yung gusto mo. Tado ka. Ay, naku pa kayo. Ay, naku, nakaw ka ng pera, mga bobo ka. Mika sa naman ka. Kung yung balak mo, yun na yun. Putahin mo talaga. Kung nakaw ka ng pera, ay, naku, iwan ko na sa'yo. Di ba alam ko yung balak mo, Duterte? Kung mag-reverse na naman tayo, edi sa'yo talaga may kasalanan.
Hay nako, iso lang. Darren. Uy, gago! Sayang kung may blue candy na ako. Di ba, alam ko na yung balak ko. Please, Ate Bianca, bigay mo na. 10 pesos, okay lang yan. Yan! Wow! Hay, naku, ayoko na talaga yan. Malas naman ako to dyan, ha? Ay, nako, dito na naman siya. Diba, Alibe? May balak na ako. Alright, Jessica Fausto. Whatever you do, just lose already. Hoy, galing! Ay, naku, yun na naman tayo. Sa malas ng candy. Singasa na may bukhaw. Yan! Hi, salamat. Yan! We, ano ba naman yan? Kailin Alcantara ko yung balak mo. Or Sue Tata, or Maylin, or Mernil. Hoy, galing malaman na naging tinawag mo si Kuya Gary para sa tulong mo. Let's go! Sana Lord, marami kong pera, ha? Hi, salamat, 10 pesos na ako magnakaw. Yan! We need to do this itinerary before leaving. We need to do this. 6! Ay, naku, yun na naman talaga. Magnakaw na naman tayo. Putay na talaga. Pero di bale, may balak na ako. Pwede ko babalikan. Yan, bukaw! Thank you, Lord. Sana marami kang ganun, ha? Pero di bale, kung hindi pa sapat yung pera ko, kailangan mo rin magnakaw pa ako. Sige, Duterte, gawin yung gusto mo. Kahit ewan ka talaga sa mga gawin, sa mga balak mo, gawin mo na para babalik na naman ako sa candy store. Ewan ka na sa'yo. Hi, salamat. Buwisit ka. O, galing mo talaga, ha? Tato. We, paano na yan? Paano ko magbabatayin ako sa'yo? Di bali may balak na ako. Kung wala, wali. Tato ka. Handa ka na, Mika Salamanca, ha? Sana mamatay ka na dahil sa buwisit ko. 7, 2, kaliwa, kaliwa, kaliwa. Huwag sa kanan, kaliwa. Taki ka talaga. Wala kang pake. Hoy, Teacher May, huwag ka nang gago, ha? Kung kailangan ko ng buhaw, bigay mo na. Iwan ko na sa'yo.
Chaos is scrumptious, so I'm gonna mix up everyone's candy. Here I go. A whirl and a swirl. Ay nako, Teacher May, sabihin ko na ha, huwag mong bibibisin mo ako. Kailangan ko dapat lahat yung mamukhaw candy ay pumunta sa akin. Yeah, let chaos unfurl. Yes, take that. Nasa akin naman yung blue candies na yan, putay nga mo.
Minsan si Teacher May walang kwenta kasi eh. Tapos kung dumating na talaga si AC Bonifacio, kung papatayin niya ako, putay na talaga yun.
Di ako mag-move on dahil sa kanya ha. Ay, tato ka. Hay nako, malas na ako. Wala na akong isang between. Dahil kay AC Bonifacio. Iwan ko na sa kanya. Bilisan mo kasi. Yan. Gawin mo yung gusto mo. Kung may parusahan ka, huwag ka magdududa sa akin ha. Putay nga mo.
Yes! Teacher Benny, watch your language if I were you. Grabe ka, Duterte, wala kang kwenta. Mag-swap na naman tayo. Wow. Jackie, iwan ko na sa'yo. Kung papatayin kita, malas ka. Di ba, wala tayo sa rat candy? Iipon ko yan. Ten! Sana may magandang candy dyan, ha, ate. Huwag ka maging tarantado dyan. If you want candy, then Aticax Toteke will make your corruption complete. Big bargain sale. Right now, we're selling 30 teas. 30. Yes, ma'am. Dito na ako. Dito na lang para mas mabilis. Hi, salamat po ate. Kailangan ko yan sa pag-iipon ko. Huwag kang hinantado dyan. Yan! Hay, nako, yun na naman tayo ah. Di bale, may balag na ako if ever. Ay, nako. Grabe naman talaga. Malas na naman ako dito. Tantado. No thanks. Ay, nako. Yun na naman talaga tayo. Puro na lang nakaw. Ayoko talaga magnakaw. I mean, magnakaw ng pera. Hindi magnakaw ng mga between. Tantado. Ay, nako. Yun na naman tayo ah. Di bale, may balak na ako. Just watch and learn, Ate Angel. Kung alin yung parasahan mo, yung kakain mo sa akin. Huy, gago ka! Huy, gago, tantado! Hay, sapat na yan. Pwede ako habulin yan.
Favor. Huwag sa kaliwa ha. Kanan. 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 Please, Lord. Kanan, please. Hi! Salamat! Pwede na ako sabutin kita po. Tayo mo. Talaga fake na Silva. Wala kang kwenta. Gago, gago. Epal, epal. Buisit, buisit. Tingnan mo. Just give me the Bowser candy, yo. Lord, please.